Hi, today I would like to introduce how to install and set up Vue. Yeah, please check out. First, you just copy these links, then after that open the terminal. Then after open the terminal, you just copy and paste here. Yeah, can you see that? Then put the password to install. Then after that you just waiting. Let's wait. After finish installing, next you just typing these phrases brew install node. Then enter. Then just waiting. After you finish install, you just check version npm underbar vue. Then you can see the version, then finish. Then after finish, you just install it. The phrases. Then just waiting for installing. Then now we just install Vue, so let's make a project. The Vue init webpack. Then after that you just write down the project name. This time my project name is project-me. Then better you cannot just use a space. That's also maybe it's better to use hyphen. And and it's they ask us some question, but you just do it. And the runtime compression and build router yes, ESS no, setup unit test no, and setup W2 is no. Then vue npm. Because later I needed to explain how to make your website and service. Please use npm. Then just waiting. That's it. Thank you for watching these videos, and if you like it, please click like button, and also please add a channel. And next time I would like to introduce how to make it your own web service. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.